have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging. Good job! Super cool! That was off the rails! Which toy will you choose now? It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Look, we're almost at the town square. Right leads to Cannonball Curve. We're almost at the town square. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Great! We're always happy to help. Choose a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Where to now? Right, the tunnel is nearby. Forward leads to the tunnel is nearby. That's the way. Just slice or tap it to open. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Well done! That was off the rails! Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy! It's a wild water slide! We need to avoid those rocks. Well done! Wow! Drag the engine left or right to dodge the rocks. Well done! We all love your train set. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to the pig. We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Right leads to, we're going to the water slide. It's a wild water slide! You need to avoid those rocks. Super! Great! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! It's super easy.